Hi guys, Gail Sylvester here. We're going to talk about the variable rate mortgage. Does that scare you? What do you know about the variable rate mortgage? A lot of people I've been talking to lately don't know. So there's a lot of assumptions out there. So here's what you need to know about the variable rate. It will not double your mortgage payment if the Bank of Canada, if the interest rate changes at 0.25%. Just it can't happen. It's not logical. So with the variable rate mortgage, is there fluctuation? Absolutely. Does it happen all the time? Not at all. So let's actually here's a bit of a history lesson. Back in 2008, we were in a financial crisis. After that, coming out of that, we actually saw that the prime lending rate didn't change for 7 years. It actually stayed low at 2.7 for 7 years. Talk about stability. There was actually a lot there. And that was based on the financial crisis. Now we're in a pandemic and we're not even through it yet. We're still in it. So my guess is going to be we're going to see the prime lending rate. It's not going to change for some time either. And actually, the Bank of Canada, which is what dictates our variable rate mortgage, is actually saying 2023 is the soonest that we could probably see any sort of fluctuation. So we still have a lot of stability. So right now we got the Bank of Canada rate 2.45. The average discount today with our lenders is 1%. So right now we're paying 1.45% on your mortgage, which is awesome. So if your mortgage today is at 1.45, and let's say a couple years from now, the Bank of Canada does change, prime now goes up 0.25%, you're going to see a difference in your payment by $10 a week. That's pretty much what it equates to. So I always say, maybe you don't go to Starbucks 5 days a week that week. Now you actually go four. Maybe you make a coffee from home. It's a small increment of change. But don't forget, if it decreases, it also goes down $10 a week too. So you've actually got a built-in savings. So now you get to go to Starbucks on the weekend, over and above the week. Who knew? So it's not as drastic as you think, so which is nice. The other big safety feature of the variable is you have the option to convert to a fixed at any time. No penalties. It's literally having a conversation so that way we know what your plans are for the next couple of years. Because if you do convert to a fixed prematurely, it might actually cost you a lot to get out of based on your lender, based on the term, based on the rate and such. Because interest rates are charged differently on a fixed rate than they are based on a variable rate. A variable rate mortgage, the maximum penalty you can pay is a 3-month interest penalty. That's just based on the mortgage rules. Fixed rates, whole different kettle of fish. We'll talk about that on the next video. So if you have any questions about the variable rate, please seriously reach out. Don't assume that it's a scary product. It's not. There's so much flexibility in it, and it actually gives you a lot of peace of mind at the same time. I have a colleague out west. He always says, life is variable. Your mortgage should be variable too. I love it, kind of thing. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Let's have a conversation. What is suited to you? And we can better advise that way too. Okay, we'll talk to you soon.